If you're experiencing issues with electrolysis, it's first important to understand exactly what electrolysis is and how it impacts your water main. As of recent years, it appears that electrolysis is becoming more of an issue throughout New York City. And as a result, homeowners are experiencing water main leaks. Electrolysis is when a direct current leak creates small holes in a water main, which will result in a leaking pipe. These small holes are referred to as a pitting of the pipe. The process of an underground electric leak is just like a water main leaking. It's the same exact concept. Another sign of a DC current leak is if you see a green staining on the pipe. This is a common sign of stray current that is attacking your pipe, and it may leak in the near future, if it's not already leaking. Another important fact to be mindful of is that a stray current below ground is attracted to copper pipes, which are most commonly used for water main installations throughout New York City. Here I have an example of a pipe that is less than 3 years old and was replaced last week by Harris Water due to a leak that occurred in the same exact location it did 3 years ago. In a case like this, you're required to use copper pipe once again, but the pipe will now be installed inside of a plastic tubing. Here we have a black plastic irrigation pipe which will be used to protect the copper from any future electrolysis. The process is pretty straightforward. You take your copper tubing and you simply snake it through the black plastic pipe from the city main all the way to the house. It's important to understand that the plastic tubing is not going to be flexible enough to cover the pipe at the swing. In a case like this, we use a material called sheet lead, which is much more flexible, can be cut into pieces, and will adequately protect your pipe from any future electrolysis. As a whole, homeowners should not be alarmed by this, as a water main leaking as a result of electrolysis is not common at all. It accounts for less than 1% of the water main installations we perform on an annual basis. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your water main leak or electrolysis, please speak with a plumbing specialist who could share their experience and expertise specific to electrolysis, your existing water main, and the area you live in.